therefore, if there is no leadership at the world stage, who will work in conjunction with the African leaders or your nation, how will be and what will be the behavior of your president?
So, what is the motive behind to rig the election for Joe Biden to become an interim president?
Good. When Trump took over, he gave the world leadership. Every nation resonates with the leadership of the global governance into a better system. And that system, he wanted to do away with that system and started his own thing. And they saw it. And therefore, come what may, we will have to take power from you, Mr. Trump, by whatever means. And I can tell you about 70% of the election that happened all over the world were rigged.
70%
of the election that happens in the nations all over the world were rigged. Plan.
The last election said 2 years.
Yeah, 2 years will be a 2020 or 2 be a year. About 70% were rigged. Check the demonstrations that are going on. And you know, Omo from Kabah, which is Democrats, Omo plan at all. And the plan was for Obama to rule continuously until they achieve the global, what you call, agenda, which is the new world order. And Trump wanted to do away with it, and he tried. That is why he built the wall. That is the essence of the wall. So that America can be independent. Why? Because IMF, that IMF is owned by United Nations. And IMF, the Internal Revenue Service of United States. So the United States want to chima. How we Ghana, we Cote d'Ivoire, we animal. It was economy no down. Because they set up COVID, they set up all those things to make sure that companies are going to be destroyed, so that your freedom, so that your finances, everything is destroyed, and then you can rely on the state. Why? Because there's straight here. We have what we call capitalism. When capitalism goes to a wrong road, it becomes socialism. When socialism goes to a wrong path, in its worst form, it becomes communism. So they wanted to change the capitalist American state, United States, into what we call a communist country. And it is through communist country that you can control the people.
You made mention of BBCCI in your conversation as I'm listening to you. Where did you need it? It seems that we are heading towards something. You said
we went to Ghana.
They set up COVID.
Yes. COVID is a plan. To
bring wine down.
They set up COVID. One, to destroy the gains that has come in the United States through President Trump administration. Yes.
It's COVID now. It's a setup.
COVID is HOAX. How do you pronounce it? HOAX.
AX.
Or okay. COVID.
It's a horse. HOAS.
Okay. Let's leave it.
Okay.
Let's leave that portion. COVID is a planting. It's a setup. Aftermath of the COVID, they planned it for 5 years. Until we and near better 5 years if we don't have the leadership change. I say so. Write it down.
Say the leadership
on the global stage. Where's Trump social distance. It will live with that till 2025. I Ezekiel say so. 5 years.
And somebody says the economy is not going to be well.
That is what they want to destroy, from capitalism through socialism to communism. Because the global agenda, they can never use the humans, they can never be on top of you, whatever, if you still operate the capitalist system. And therefore we shut it down. Once we get to communism strata, we will control the people. So that the top class, the 1%, the 2%, then it comes to 5%, 10%, then we have the chunk of middle class, and then all of it becomes sheep. We work for the state. And that is why in China, they work for the states.